Hi friends, welcome to Aditi Food Channel. I'm Sujatha Shivankar. Today I'm going to show you how to make tamarind and dates sweet chutney for chats. Sweet tamarind and dates chutney is basically a sweet and tangy chutney recipe prepared from dates, tamarind and jaggery, which is typically used in chat recipes. To prepare dates tamarind sweet chutney, I've taken half cup of tamarind and half cup of de-seeded dates soaked in water for about 30 minutes and half cup of jaggery.
Firstly, to the large vessel, I'm going to add half cup of dates soaked in water for 30 minutes, half cup of tamarind soaked in water for about 30 minutes and half cup of jaggery. Further, pour 2 cups of water, mix and boil the mixture for at least 10 minutes. Also add half teaspoon of fennel powder, half teaspoon of dry ginger powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, Gosen salt as per taste. Mix and mash tamarind and dates. Furthermore, simmer the mixture for 2 minutes. Once it reaches this consistency, allow the mixture to cool completely. Now transfer the dates tamarind mixture to the mixer and blend smooth puree. Further strain the puree and transfer the prepared Khajur Imli Chutney into airtight jar and store it in the refrigerator. Finally, use the prepared tamarind date chutney in preparing sev puri, bel puri and pani puri. You can prepare it well in advance and store in an airtight container. Typically, it has a long shelf life and can be preserved for months. Tamarind chutney is primarily used in chat recipes but can also be served as condiments for aloo samosa, onion samosa and aloo tikki. Try our tamarind date sweet chutney for chats at your home. Like, share, comment and subscribe to Aditi Food Channel. Thank you for watching.